Yo! What is up, Snapchat? What is up, Snapchat? Sick. We're getting New York with it. We're getting Newy with it. Lil Louie. Just make sure everything's glitching. Check. All right, sick. Anyone from Australia? You a naughty boy for being up this late, but let's have a look. Check. What up, Thor? Damn, I haven't seen you in the chat for a while. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Kashi, you're a real bad boy. Bro, why is your name things changed to a pink logo now? My boy's getting all pink on us. My boy's getting pink on us and it's all good. So let's have a look, man. I suppose we should have a look. Nah, it's all right, Grant. Honestly, man, like the thing is we've been getting volume, but it's been difficult to find a fucking clean setup. So I've only really seen one okay setup today. Like I haven't really been watching, but there wasn't a bad type 2 here. Like the fact that this 15 kind of wicked down quite nicely, but it could have looked different at the time. I'm not sure. It looked nice on the 30 as well from looking back in hindsight. But what up, Pez? Good to see you on the stream. It seems like you're usually asleep these days. How dare you prioritize sleep? I want to do a bit of analysis here, guys. Just a real quick down to get a bit of an overview, and let's have a look at, see if we get something popping off. Bro, I ordered these red light glasses to fucking block out blue light or whatever. Hey, bro, they sent me the glasses from Riddick, the movie where Vin Diesel, Vin Diesel's blind and shit. All good. I guess I'm Vin Diesel. Where Vin Diesel's blind, he's fighting aliens and shit. That was actually a dope movie back in the day. All right, we'll have a look at your trades in a sec, bro. Let's do a bit of analysis here. Weekly, daily pushing, everything's pushing. I mean, the 4 hour tried to push down, but just massively bitched it. Like, no, sellers just cannot get a break here. Anyone that's been selling all the way up is just like, oh Lord, why? NFP Sunnies, bro, legit. I actually ordered 3. I ordered 3 because I knew it was going to be like a hit and miss from some cheap joint that secretly gives me eye cancer somehow. There's that. Oh, it gets worse, don't you worry. Oh, you thought that was bad? Harry Potter? What's Hermione's thing again? Fuck. What's Hermione's spell she puts on that kid in the classroom? Oh, that's killing me. I haven't thought about this for years. What is the spell that... Wingardium Leviosus. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Wingardium Leviosus. So, that's what's up today. We're getting zesty with these glasses. I'll go back to Riddick. So the 4 hour tried to push down. No, sellers couldn't take over here, so suck shit or whatever. I mean, let's put a level here. I shouldn't say suck shit. I'm sorry, you guys, if you've been selling today. Yeah, it's hard, man. Trading's a hard game. Trading's tough. Wingardium Leviosa. 30-minute and the 15-minute. I mean, look, bro, the same story. We're going to just have to be looking for some buys at a break of this. I will be looking to get a bit aggressive if I can get an impulse buy, but I mean, for now, I know this is a very strong level on NQ. I've already done a bit of analysis, so I'll be watching that as well. If we even if we want to bounce off as well. Bro, you look like Elton John. Bro! Elton John looks like me. Wingardium Leviosa. So yeah, NQ, I mean... Wow, look at the fucking hour on NQ. Wick Central. What have you guys been doing in the Dissy? Looking at motorbikes. I'm pretty sure someone asked me to have a look at some analysis. Here we go, analysis. I like your opinion on this setup. Let's have a look. Bro, beautiful. My only thing would be, this is literally what I just called out at the start of the stream. I said, this is the only setup I've seen all day potentially. It looks like he caught that. My only thing I would say on that is I would have taken it the break of the high here, just for extra confirmation. Or the break at this 30 high. But other than that's really the only setup I've seen today, personally, for the way that I would look at the chart. Good shit, man. Congratulations. Great discipline. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, you kind of buy in. The issue with this is you're buying straight into resistance here. All right. You guys, I might go to fucking Egypt on Monday. With a videographer. And take a trade on the, what, like in the pyramid type shit. And if I win or lose the trade, it's going to determine the trajectory of the rest of my life. Still got an hour and 10 for New York Stock Exchange? Yeah. But isn't it New York open? Like the actual... Isn't it New York open right now? Or did I fuck the times up? This is why I don't trade New York. Yeah, it's New York open, but Stock Exchange, that's all right. Volume's volume. I'll take what I can get. Man, imagine exploring below the Pearies. Too handsome to swear? Nah, it's all good. I mean, I don't think swearing is that bad. Like, I have had a bit of guilt about swearing lately, but I think it's an okay expression. But at the same time, I might. What up, Enid? I might read it soon. See how I go. What up, Jimmy? Jimmy Ricard. I wonder if gold wants to, NQ wants to flip like this and close if we want to sell gold, NQ. I mean, if yeah, I'm not used to trading this session, so when's commodities open? Wait, is that, the stock exchange open in an hour and 10, okay. Yeah, if there's any like shit that I should know, tell me about trading at this time. You're Aussie, yeah, that's true. That is very true, right? I mean, you can't deny that, like, when you see Carl Barron pop up on social media, just like a clip of his videos, fuck, he's so funny, bro. Like, I'm not a huge fan of like Aussie kind of slang, Aussie humor. I guess I don't even know what I'm saying, but I don't know any good Aussie comedians, but Carl Barron does an excellent job at just encapsulating Australian humor in a funny way. He goes, my dad always scared me. He'd always tell me what he was going to do, but I never knew what he was going to do. He'd always be like, oh, you're going to get it. I'm like, get what? it's coming for you. Or, you know, people say, oh, you're going to get it. I was like, fuck, that's funny. So what do we got here? Gold, NQ. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what we can force here. Have you been moved to live yet? Oh, no, I haven't been moved to live yet. I had a meeting with Raj's brother today to set up a personal account. Just a small personal account. Might put $1,000 in there and start growing it on stream. So funny, eh? Forex. Really, Pez? Okay. We'll keep an eye out. We'll keep our eye sockets peeled. So gold's kind of in this consolidation range right now, and we'll see. See if we can scalp this bitch. Get scalped up, son. Saw your video yesterday. It was amazing to interact with people on the live call. You should do that often. Yeah, I appreciate that you like that. I'm gonna do it every Sunday. Like, it's not the type of video on YouTube that's going to get a ton of views, but I think it's actually a lot of value in it because you get to hear perspective of a lot of different traders, you know, and hear other traders' stories and stuff. It's a pretty unique kind of video that not many traders, I've never really seen it in the industry, are kind of taking calls on the spot like that. Call in to the call hotline. All right, do we want to sell NQ is the question on everyone's lips. If I can get a bit more strength, I'd like to, if this 30 can break down here, I'll 100% sell NQ. I'll 100 bands sell NQ. I think. Bit sus on this level not being fully tested, like there's so many stop losses sitting right here. Put your order where the masses put their stop loss. You'll be surprised how many times it worked out. RIP David Paul, great trader. David Paul was one of the guys, institutional trader, he's dead now, but he was one of the guys that put it in my mind, like, he had this famous quote, he said, you're only about 10 trades away from being the trader you want to be. Like the trader you desire, that professional, consistent trader. And it's actually very true because 10 can, like, if you guys like us, we take 1 to 2 trades a day. Okay, let's span that over 2 weeks. Imagine for 2 weeks straight, you just show up like a professional, you get off the charts as a professional, you execute the trade like a professional, win, lose or draw for 2 weeks straight. On that 3rd week, you're that guy. You actually are that guy until you make the decision to revert back to the Aratard version of you. Every Sunday would go hard. I've missed them so much. Yeah, bro, Pez, I think every Sunday will be dope. 100. We got Dan Riddick before, bro. 100% Riddick. What the fuck's... Yeah, Riddick, you bastard. Bro, I'm actually Riddick. I mean, I guess it's a little bit different. I don't know, that's pretty fucking similar. I could be a actor. Hamza, it's called a ZVE10. You got quality views on that, not about... Yeah, it's good not to get too caught up in views and shit like that for sure. First time watching you trade every time. Oh. Yeah, I don't really trade New York, so we'll see what happens. Vin Diesel from AliExpress. Bro, I fucking... Yeah, we'll see. Damn, gold. 30-minute closures coming up. I mean, yeah, like Ty said there, I could imagine price kind of consolidating for a while until stock. How many contracts per trade? I don't know, 10 or something. Oakley's. Yeah, man, I think I'm going to look at booking flights to Egypt, man, just for a couple nights. I'm just obsessed with these pyramids. Like, it's not that far from here. It's like the flights are cheap, bro, from Dubai. So I could go suss out these pyramids, be in awe of the fucking magnitude of what was built there and the precision, take a trade on that bitch, maybe dig up some unsolved mysteries and then come back. Thanks, Sylvia. Yeah, I think it's going to be a good idea. Sylvia, is that our Sylvia? Can't tell. Bike Sigs. No. Okay. Well, you are mine now. How's instant funding accounts? How is it? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, bro, Ad? What's it called when you drop a photo, but it's just to like lure in the opposite sex? Like, what is that called again? You mean is the funding really give payouts? Yeah, of course. Thirst trap. Yes, thank you. Did anyone see my thirst traps on Instagram? Oh, fuck. I'm such a weird loser. I'm so ugly. What up, what up, what up? Yeah, price is kind of rejecting back up to this level. Zest trap. Fucking hell. Let's see, man. Let's see what's up. Fuck off, Paul. I mean, I don't actually look that good. It's all lighting and shit, but I really need to get back on to the good shit in terms of diet and training. Egypt, yes sir. Bro, with your attitude, trading would be kind of easy. You might be laughing while making loss also. Nah, I struggled for 2 years with my attitude and trading. What you see now is not what once was always wang. Yeah. For a long time, I was just a egotistical, refuse to take a loss person. Yeah, unfortunately. Cost a lot of money and a lot of pain. And I mean, the thing is, I don't care about winning or losing. I just care about sticking to my rules. Right? I just care about sticking to my rules. Because when I break my rules, I actually feel shit as a person outside of the charts. I'm like, man, I just got presented an opportunity to build some self-respect, and then I just went and shit all over myself. So I feel shit about myself as an individual throughout the day because I'm like, bro, I was just tested. I say it all the time, the markets is an excellent self-development tool. And, you know, What's your strategy win ratio? I mean, the win rate's pretty high, but who really cares at the end of the day, right? Like people will say, you don't take a trade, bing, bong, bing. Like I'll typically get 1 to 2 trades a day, but waiting for that high probability setup because I built a system and found the best approach that I wanted to pursue this game with is the higher win rate strategy, but it just means you sometimes have to wait a bit longer because the mental capacity required in order to go through a lot of losses, in order to get a big win, I just didn't want that, bro. I wasn't for it. So, doesn't mean I don't lose, bro. I lose all the time. But I'm just saying, you know, when you moved to Dubai 2 months ago, I think. Shit, that post worked on me, dude. What up, Rad? Losing sucks. I mean, I guess in theory, it's an annoying thing to say, but you do have to try and get really like used to it. Yeah, you're gonna have to kind of get used to it. At some point, you just trade long enough with this particular system that you kind of understand like the wins and losses are going to come and go. Like they're going to be distributed regardless of how good you are or how bad you are. Have you learned about impulse entries? I mean, I honestly don't know how Raja trades these days as much. Like I do, I feel like I do have a good understanding, but I mean, I just chill now. I started a live account with 1,000 US key, couldn't manage risk, blah, 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 down 700. Yeah. That's why it's always good to start with a, you know, a funded account, a challenge account. Yeah, man. You know, let's have a look, you guys. We're kind of consolidating here on gold, poo-poo range. I think as volume starts to pick up over the next half an hour, 45 minutes, NQ's got some good range. We're actually at a good spot on both of these charts, right? I think this is a decent spot we're in right now, so we're just gonna have to be patient. And if you can't do that, then just go back to Macca's or something. I don't know, bro. I was funded and up 20% on my account, then blew it 3 days before a payout. Yeah, we've all done it, bro. Like, yeah. And that's where, like, at that point, you have to go, man, this was so painful. What a joke. I have to set parameters for myself and, like, have a clear guideline of what you need to do. Does it mean that you're going to stick to it perfectly? Probably not. You're probably going to break your rules again. But having that in your head, knowing that if I adhere to these rules, I will win, you should be good, man. But it's going to probably take a bit of time. It depends on your personality type and shit. Which prop firm do you recommend? Just any, they're all good. All right, Trail, sounds good, brother. Can you pass me how to pass a funded fast? Yeah, but why do you want to pass it fast? Because that means you're just going to blow it quick. Locked myself out after a loss. Good stuff, man. Obeying the rules, yeah. I mean, you're just going to feel better about yourself. You could like sit there and take a loss for the day, obey your rules, and then head out and go chat to some chicks, and you're going to have like infinite aura, and you're going to feel good because you know, like, man, I'm that guy, pal. Are you the guy that made him $1 million? Nah, I'm that guy that can stick to his rules under pressure. Chicks like that, man. If you want to get chicks, become a disciplined trader. Biggest loss? Yeah, a fair bit. A lot. I mean, even with the biggest losses, like, I don't know about you guys, but it would typically just take a couple of days for like the pain to alleviate, and then I'm back on the horse, trying to learn from the mistake and get better and continue on. Yeah. Thoughts on the cost of living in Australia? I mean, Dubai is more expensive, but Australia is a bit of a joke, like the tax and shit. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, we have PPI tonight? PP? I don't think we have PPI. Nah. Yeah, it's in ages. Yeah, that's ages away. PPI. Advice for us new to trading: just start researching. Don't even think about trading. Think about just studying.
Study brown.
Oh, you're talking about tomorrow. Yeah. Check general Dissy. Okay, let's check general Dissy. Bro, look at the candlestick. That's actually kind of dope. That's actually kind of dope. Hey, you guys, you see that lettering here on the screen about Orion funding? Bro, I'm going to mute you guys on TikTok for a sec. Bro, you guys, 15% off, and we're flying some traders out here to Dubai that use that code. If you use the code DANDRIFT, you'll get 15% off. You'll also keep 100% of the profits you make on that account. So there's no profit split. And also, you only pay 50% of the account up front and the other 50% once you're funded. So they're cheap. I mean, who wants to come to fucking Dubai for a week? All expenses paid for. All you have to do is use that code DANDRIFT. The reason it's called DANDRIFT is because we're also going to be going drifting in some supercars here in Dubai. So man, like it's literally the most ultimate fucking shit of all time. I'd be doing it if I wasn't me. Yeah, I had to mute it because I had to speak about something, but if you want to not get muted, come over to YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Gold stuck in the mud. NQ's still chilling. Yeah, fully tie. You just get back onto it. Channel name on YouTube is the exact same channel name as TikTok. Daniel Holmes Trades. David Holmes Capital. No, Daniel Holmes Trades. Keep doing what you're doing. You inspired my trading psychology. I'm at BE stage now, but trying to climb. Beautiful, man. You're there pretty much. You're basically there, bro. Congratulations. You've just beat a huge statistic. You've just completely eclipsed a massive statistic in trading. You're a BE. You got to the BE stage. Wow. I'll put a thing here. The issue with using AI generated thumbnails is, yeah, these platforms don't push them anymore. They're trying to eradicate AI a bit. Like to be used for bang bang bananas. Bro, how do I join your community? I'll tell you right now, actually. In the YouTube chat, I'm about to post a link to join the free trading community. If you're a trader and you like trading, then here's the link. Boom, in the YouTube chat right now. I'll pin it. So let's see, man. NQ is probably the one that's presenting the most potential here just yet. We'll see if gold wants to come down and create an opportunity to buy back up. I don't know. We'll see. Dandrift. Oh, history. What up, my brother? Good to see you, my G. History's a goat. Nikki in the chat. Nikki, I swear I haven't seen you in the chat since 1944.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was.
At least.
Who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs.
Nah, bro, these goggles, this is the Riddick goggles. Don't sleep on the Riddick goggles. Bro, history is the #1 OG of all time. History Nikki hasn't even watched the Type 1 videos yet. Fuck off. She has. Yeah, she has, bro. Nikki, if you haven't watched the Type 1 videos, you have to literally send a video of you catching a fish or something. I don't know. You have to send a video of you doing literally 400 push-ups in a row. I'm currently in Qatar. Nice. Yeah, legit. What's the biggest aha moment in trading? That there was no aha moment. Actually, this is something I've talked to Perry. So like Perry, when I've started mentoring Perry, he was my first ever student. Fresh in the game. And now he's at a point where he's getting payouts and shit pretty consistently. And what I said to him back in the day was, your aha moment's going to be you already at that stage and then going, oh, what the fuck? I'm here. Like there was never a moment of like being here. It's just I got here and then I realized I'm there. So you're going to be like, it's going to be like a dream where you wake up and you realize, oh, this was all a dream. Like that grind stage was all a dream and I'm here now. That's kind of the aha moment when you realize, oh, I'm just here. It just happens like that. You're kind of unaware of the process. You're unaware of like the journey that you're on as you get there. So when I catch up with guys on one-on-one, they don't see, but I'm like, oh yeah, I can see like you're way better than you were 2 weeks ago. Next couple of weeks, you're going to be better and better and better. And it kind of just happens like that. Yeah, you're already there, Shem, without even being there. Some of you guys are there without even being there yet. Like I know what's around. I know what's there for you. Just don't fuck around. That's all. Inna, what up, brother? And the rule following, exactly. Yeah, Inza is a good trader there, so that's exactly what it is, bro. You know, the thing is, sometimes when I get some guys that want to join the mentorship or they join and they go, you can tell that they want something, like they're expecting there to be something like unique or like some unheard thing. And it's like, oh no, bro, this is just like the rules and you just got to stick to them and then you'll literally become a trillionaire. And it's like, oh, what about the fucking bing bang, It's like, no, that's all nothing. It's just, here's a set of rules. If you can stick to them, you win. Then it's essentially a battle of you versus you, really. And people try and say, oh, when you say it's you versus you, it's kind of a cop-out. And it's like, actually, it's not. It's really not, because if you think back on all the times where you really fucked your account, it's always because of you. Like, it wasn't because the setup was nice and you just, I just kept taking losses on a clean A+ setup. Nah, you probably started over trading or revenge trading or... So what do we got? We got 1 minute for this 15 here. At that level, gold's just chilling here. I mean, if the next candle wants to come down again, create a tail, start to flip back up, I'd love to buy gold back up. NQ's at a level there where I'd love to kind of see a breakthrough. If the next candle can kind of punch through here, that'd be an hour closure as well. That'd be sick. What up, Ergon FX? Good man. Yeah, good man. Shem. What's the best way to identify chop? Just candle bodies and wicks. So like, look here, small candle bodies and a lot of wicks. Like anyone that's buying or selling through here, I'm sorry, firstly, like my condolences, because yeah, it's the candle bodies and the wicks. So if you see big wicks, doji candles, meaning the body's kind of in the middle, the wicks are similar size on each end and the bodies are small. Yeah, it's yucky. You want to kind of stay out of that shit. Very simple way. Ah, nice. Good man. What up, Hemin? The ping bang is really... Jack, when are we catching up? I can't remember if you've maybe you've got something in there. Nah, I'm not. I only changed into New York today because I wasn't able to film and I wasn't able to stream New York or Asia, London or Asia. Yeah, you need a lot of reps. Look, here's Pez. You need a lot of reps. Understand the system enough. Yeah, and that's the thing. So this is two things that when people join the mentorship, they first go, "Oh man," okay, not everyone, but some go, "Oh man, this is pretty simple. It's similar to what I was doing. You know, like I get it." I'm like, yeah. I'll see you in a week. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Because what happens is the initial stage, you're like, "Oh yeah, simple, just breakouts, bounces off," but you never get a textbook candle break above. Oh, it's got a nice wick and we've got a nice retest and we're just off to the races. There's always something, man. There's like a big wick here and then the 30 kind of looks strange and there's a fucking, there's always something. So it takes time to kind of get a pulse on the nuances and to use higher time frame confluence to get a good idea on whether or not you should take this position or not. And that's what takes time. And like Perry said there, that's just reps. That's just repetition. Oh, Sunday we quick kiss, nice. Yeah, and the Sunday sessions are always helpful. Do you think it's going to go up? It depends, man. It just depends if it goes up or not, I guess. We'll see. What up, Mr. Cab? Crazy, right, Ty? Yep. But the cool thing is, man, I swear to God, you guys, and again, this is only if you're like me, it is a high win rate system. Does it require patience? Yes. But you typically get 1 or 2 trades a day, and it's like it's your job to kind of capitalize on those trades. Sometimes both those trades lose, but it is a good system if you're like me and you don't want to take 1,000 paper cuts to get a decent kind of long play, right? If you say, oh, look at this account here, you got a tick next to your name, you must be a big account. Bro, you can't have a big account and then spam that kind of shit. That's wild. No, I don't know. I don't know about Ethereum. Nah, I don't have a daily goal in terms of how much I want to make. I have a daily limit on how much I'm willing to lose. I'm always in defense. I'm always trying to defend my fucking treasure chest, right? Not really thinking about profits too much. Because I know if I just show up and execute the trades, the profits just eventually go up. I'm always on defense more than anything. Bro, how do you know where the price is going? You don't. Yeah, you don't. You can just kind of stack a few things in your favor to potentially get an idea of where it might go over the next 20 pips or something. That's all. And then manage risk along the way. You need experience to understand the market's price action. This strategy is just a cherry on top, exactly. What's your confluence? Mainly just higher time frames. So like kind of seeing the structure on all the higher time frames and seeing how they tie together to tell the story. What do you say when you close a trade and it goes more pips in your direction? Do you think I mean, there's nothing you can say. All you would say is that sucks. Right? You'd be like, oh, I mean, that sucks. Yeah, that sucks. It happens sometimes, I guess. How do you control when you lost that day? I always think maybe later I'll have a setup to win back. It depends, man. It depends. Like if you take 2 losses, like for me, I have a limit 2 losses. Yeah, you don't want to go any more than 2 losses, man. It's hard, man. Trading is very fucking hard, but that's why you set them rules. You just have to have the rules in place, and then it's up to you whether you want to stick to them or not. $200 down for the day on the second phase. It's all right, man. Some days you're going to lose. There's nothing you can do about it sometimes. All right. I mean, we'll see how this 15 wants to close in gold. So when this candle closes, is this comics open? In 10 minutes, 9 minutes? Is this when we should get an influx of like extra volume? Oh, it's another 30? Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, well maybe, I don't know. Man, if I get a play here, I'm going to take up a trade regardless. Fuck everyone. Comics opens 30 minutes ago? Really? Nah. Is it? I think it's 9:15. I mean, I don't know anything. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know anything. Yeah, okay. What's the 4x 4-hour candle look like? Oh, 4x 4-hour candle is going to close in 7 minutes. Interesting. Weird structure. Yeah, well, as this candle gets closer to closing, we look at potentially taking a buy. I don't know yet. Doesn't look good on any other time frame other than the 15, to be honest. And that we're in a bullish trend. Well, that's the thing as well. Are we in a bullish trend? Because the reality of the situation is we've been consolidating for a couple of hours now. Wait, have we been consolidating the whole day? Is this the whole day right here? Sort of, right? Yeah. Sort of, I think. Whole day, yeah. What up, Moonlight? But this is a big range, with that being said. 200 pips, basically. Bro, I'm not going to lie. These glasses are actually helping my eyes. Usually by now, my eyes would be burning. That's actually interesting. Maybe I have got some sort of blue light disease or whatever. Do impulse entries have wick ups before entry? I mean, it's always good to have a wick, yeah. It's just if you use statistics, like statistically most candles have wicks, so if you're in a trade without a candle wick, you got to be like, does it need to create one? New to trade, can you guide me in the minimum balance required? You don't put any balance in any account. You just study, bro. You want to study before you do anything like that. Yeah, I'm still awake. It's still early for me. It's only 5 p.m. nearly. How's Dubai? Dubai is good. Yeah, Dubai's good. Look directly at the sun. Yeah, what are you guys doing in the Dissy? Anyone got any big W, John? John's been in the community for a long time. Big dubs. Study then demo account. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Love you too, brother. Can you give me 100 to start trading? No, because you're just going to lose it. So that'd be a really bad investment. Hey bro, can you give me 400 pip trade in the next 10 minutes? Much. Yeah, who wants to get smoked on this trade here? That makes no sense on any time frame. Yeah, don't get sucked into this. I mean, so this is the thing, like you could look at this and say, well, we're getting a 15-minute candle engulfing, rejecting off the bottom. We could look at this as a potential type 2, but really, like if it were to close up here, but really it makes no sense on any other time frame. Right? So I can't just look at a pattern and be like, I am taking a trade based on a pattern. It's like, nah, does it actually tell the same story on all the time frames? And in this case, nah, say shit. What do you think about news today? Tonight on 9 News. Day in the life video gross. Yeah, I was filming day in the life stuff today. What's up, you guys? Day in the life. Wake up at 3:30. You know, like the cringe ones. Okay, so mine's not cringe because it's actually real. I do wake up at 3:30, but I don't wake up and do like 10 hours of yoga and 47 hours of reading and then, you know, journaling and then meditating and then breathing exercises. You know, I don't do any of that. I just chill out. I'll actually trade. Good man, Damon. Good stuff, brother. Oh, the golf vlog was a disaster. It's not coming out. I tried to sneak my videographer in because they didn't let him in. And yeah, so that was a waste of money. And then a day in the life, we're out on jet skis and shit. And I fucking had to fire the videographer. Honestly, he's the worst of all time. Nah, I just went through that, John, why I'm not interested personally, if you're thinking about gold. What do you say about traders who sell trading courses, and is it good to buy? I mean, depends. Yeah, it depends. Yeah, it's going to depend, I guess. I have no idea, Miles. Who cares? Just face that when it comes, I guess. Alright, so we're getting some closures here. I mean, fuck New York, man. It's like every time I show up, there's no volume. Whether it's Asia, London, New York. I thought shit was meant to pop off on New York. You guys lied to me. Where are you from? The same city where Riddick lives. "30 minutes? Really? $9:30. I could have sworn 9:15 had some crazy volume or something. All right, well, there's an hour 15 and 30 closure. Yeah. Doggy doo-doo right now on these two. Massive doggy doo-doo. In 30, watch NQ. Okay. You're way too early, really? Fuck, man. You stopped expecting volume at commodity open? Yeah, wow. I'm an amateur, I guess. We'll see. Damn. dang. God dang. Oh yeah, for NQ traders. Yeah, I was gonna say. I mean, gold doesn't have to listen to anyone when it comes to when it wants to pop off. Gold has it. Gold just says, you know what? Go and get. Go and get. Terminator. How to get focus to a matter. Wait, what? In trading, I believe your way of doing you personally. Come on stream and guide us all. Thanks, bro. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Abdul. I'll be honest, like a lot of the times I'll just enter a trade without even saying anything because at the end of the day, I'm not here for SIGs or here to trade for others. I noticed that like a lot of other traders that start streaming, like you got to be really careful that you don't get sucked into this idea of trading for the viewers. Like I'm trading and I'm like thinking about you guys and you guys taking the trade as well. And you start trading for other people outside of yourself. And that's a really fucking, it's a ton of stress because you'll take a loss. I can take a loss and that's fine. But if I think that I'm trading for hundreds of other people, that's a bad way. That's a bad mindset and it can crush. That's why streaming is actually very difficult, streaming trading. So you just have to keep your purpose the same, which my purpose was always just to show up and do what I do anyway. But now it's different. You've got community and people here, so we just chat and do whatever. I'm out of daddy. Oh, fuck. Bro, did anyone watch that video that I put up? Actually, this was not staged. This one, it was someone called and said they were from Tanzania. Like genuinely, they didn't. It wasn't like a trick. It wasn't a joke. They were like, "Hey, brother, I'm from Tanzania." Anyway, I thought that was funny. Anyone knows the Tanzania law? Does it smell like updog in your apartment? Wait, what? Wow, what's happening here? You guys said there's. Whoa, whoa. Volumetrics.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was.
Oh, wait, is that news?
The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be
Dan, does it smell like updog in your apartment? Why are you, Shem, why are you saying yes, Bluey?
the hardest thing
Updog.
that I've ever known.
Updog in your apartment.
Justify unless you walk the path that I've strolled.
What am I missing?
You keep telling yourself tomorrow is the day.
What am I, what, guys, he's not stupid. Well, he obviously is. If there's a fucking joke that I don't understand, I'm obviously stupid.
Inside your grip and your
Updog.
fingers screaming out the same.
Oh, you meant to say what's up, dog. Wait, maybe I accidentally did say that.
And I know you didn't plan this route today.
Get a lot of opinions on stream. Yeah, you get that as well. I don't really listen to that part though.
Thrown out to the wolves. Never was enough.
What do you think about a meetup in January in Dubai? For sure. Probably before then. And if anyone's going to the Forex Expo, I'll be at a booth there as well. Oh, you going to the expo? Okay, dope. I'll see you there. Because that's where I'm going to be able to link with a lot of traders there, I believe. And I'll hopefully be able to link with the forbidden one. Tory trades. I'll run up to her and be like, I'll be trying to find you everywhere. Come on my stream. We can wear orange glasses together. Oh really? Like, okay, I'll start a stream and then you can like join me in on the stream from my house, from your house. No, you'll be at my house and we'll be streaming together because we're meant to be together. Okay, I'm fucking losing my mind. Check. Nah, who's that, Pez? Oh, god damn it. Still streaming with Aaron. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, we're gonna get Aaron back in the stream and then we'll do another stream for sure. For Sheezy. Damn, all the guys with stop losses up here are just like praying to the heavens above. Good to have you here, Maverick. Good to have you here, my friend. She's lonely and looking for a partner. Nah, that's just clickbait to get views for desperate traders like us. Oh, if only I had a trader girlfriend. I've seen some trader girl post a thing. They're like, life as a female trader, and then it's like DMs, and it's a bunch of DMs just saying, can I fill your FVG and all this kind of shit. So if you guys think that shit's unique or funny, it's not. These trader chicks are all over that shit. You're gonna have to think out of the side of the box, my dudes. You know, you're gonna have to come from a different angle. Will you marry Tori one day? Just believe in yourself, Batman. Okay. Why, when we follow you, some people text us private acting like you? Because I have billions of fake accounts that I want to talk to you on. Musty. No. Will you marry a woman from Australia? Yeah, I'd marry a woman from Australia. All right, man. So word on the street is volume's kicking in big time in these coming whatevers. So we'll see. Don't really listen to her, mate. Just a mate told, but think she's a bit fake. What do you mean by a bit fake? What do you mean by a bit fake? Cody, I already told the whole lore on these. They're double jointed. So if you have eyes on the side of your face, you can see through there. Yeah, I bet you have, Inza. Yeah. Perry. No, it's not sponsored by Laser, but I wouldn't mind that. So yeah, man, word on the street is volume's coming very soon, so we're gonna have to see. Right now, we just had a massive drop and a retracement. No, I'm only doing it for this. I'm never wearing these glasses again. I'm only doing it for this stream, just as a joke. Because it's New York. and I ordered them online. They just arrived today and they're really bad. Just lost 350 on gold. I mean, yeah. What, you know, yeah, there's not much happening here on gold just yet. Some of her trades that she took is a bit of a joke, and seeing how long she held them for, it's a day in the life. I mean, but she's profitable, isn't she? Like, you can't judge her trading style if she's profitable. I don't know what time I come on TikTok. I'm live on YouTube every day though. I'm live on YouTube right now for London Open. Helping the eyes there, bro. It kind of is a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, like I was gonna lie, but yeah. What up, JJ? None of them quotes are gonna work, my dude. Yeah, ICT kids and stuff like that love to roast Tory trades or like support and resistance traders. So you'll see a trader. I seen a video the other day. It was actually one of my students was in the video, and she said, you know, I'm a price action trader using support and resistance. And then all the top comment was support and resistance with a skull and a dead flower emoji, and it got the most likes. And I just felt so bad for her because she's a good trader. But here's the other thing: if we use basic math and statistics, we go 97% of traders fail. And the top comment was roasting a girl in a TikTok section. What are the chances that those thousands of likes on that comment are those 3% of successful traders? Pretty low, right? So the reality is those kids in the comments are all a part of the autism section. Hi from Bali. Nice. I'll see you soon, I think. No, definitely not Maverick. You want to jump on a challenge account. Look into prop firm trading. The statistics makes trading look like feel like a scam. No, it's not, because look into the statistics on what it is for a small business to find success. It's the same success rate. So anything that is going to require skill and time and effort that can bring a financial return, the success rate is always low. Yeah. So it's not just trading; it's anything. Feminism is the problem. That's all right, hidden supplier. As long as you can just learn from a brother. Do you know why it's a bad week? Right? Do you know why? That's the biggest thing. That's the biggest thing, man. Yeah, true, but she still held for way too long. Yeah, I don't know why you guys are watching fucking somebody else's trading videos. It's kind of weird. No, I don't think you're weird, but it's just like, you know, to click on a video and people be like, okay, guys, I held a trade through drawdown. It's like, hey, be more busy in life. I shouldn't be watching this. I'm pretty sure it's a video that keeps getting offered to me to watch, and it's got like nearly 300,000 views. Hey, dudes, be more busy though, right? 300,000 people. Anyway. Fuck you, gold. I'm buying you, motherfucker. I'm buying gold. I don't care what anyone says. Trump. African Americans. We got the most black votes. Hillary's a criminal. All right, so we get volume in 15 minutes, apparently. Apparently shit pops off in 15 minutes. In this next candle, 14 minutes. 13, 10, 9. China. Bro, is it normal to sometimes get confused while trading? Like, I know what I'm doing, but get lost? The only reason you would ever find yourself in that state, I believe, is because you've deviated from your plan too much. So now you're caught in all the confusion. You've deviated too much. You've got a deviated septum, and now you're confused. If you just show up with the same set of rules, looking for the same thing every day, it's almost impossible to get lost because it's just mechanical. Now, but at the moment, you've got your deviated rectum. China, it's a China virus. What is the currency we're paying with Orion funded? I don't know what you mean, but bro, you can see with that code. I can't say too much on TikTok. TikTok, I'm muting you for a sec. You guys on YouTube, honestly, you guys, 15% off. 9 winners get flown to Dubai for a week. All expenses, flight paid for. 9 traders. We're going to meet up with other traders. We're going to go drive around. The reason it's called Dan Drift is because we're going to go drift around in supercars. So we're going to go drifting. Bro. Like, and you get 15% off. Also, the profit split is 100%. You don't give any profit split on the first 2 payouts using this code. Also, you don't fucking, you don't, I know there's no sound TikTok. I'm speaking to YouTube only. If you want to come over to YouTube, I'm live there right now. You don't, so 15% off, you go on the draw to get flown out to Dubai for a week. There's no split, profit split. And also you pay 50% of the account. And then if you get funded with the account, then you pay the other 50%. If not, you only pay 50%. It's like the ultimate deal ever. So man, G it up so you can come to Dubai and we can go hang out. All right. Trump tweeted, really though? Oh, you watched that catfish show? I seen that Mitch did as well. Yo, Dia, what up, bro? I ordered these red light glasses online, blue light, and then these showed up. I was like, bro, they're so bad, but I'm gonna wear them now for this New York stream, just to make use of them. I look like Riddick, Vin Diesel out of Riddick. Yeah, that catfish show on Netflix is wild, bro. What she did to her own daughter, and then the daughter's like, still chill with her. Wait, what are they? What's that pairs? I can't tell if that's some sort of joke or if that's a real thing. Oh, shit, son. W. Yeah, I fucks with these. I like the rimless ones. Really like the rimless. Look like Ali G. Yeah, that's funny. It is Ali G glasses. That's actually funny. Hello. Bro, I can't take calls. Oh, bro, it actually is. Look. Wait. That's hilarious. Look, it's the same fucking shits. That is funny. Is it? Bro, these are like virtually identical. I am Ali G. Ali G is actually hilarious. If you watch it now, it's still very relevant. It's still very funny. Danny G. Fuck. So what's up with all the fucking politics and all of that? I seen a thing, he was like speaking to all these guys, he's like, what's 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 times 10 10 10 10, and just kept doing that for like 5 minutes in front of these like real old mathematicians and shit or something. So fucking funny. That was before like trolling was as popular. You could kind of get away with trolling people easier. All right, you guys. So apparently we've got to strap in for a volume kicking in here. Forget Danny Sins, Danny G in the house. That's very funny. Yeah, welcome to New York. So we're really trying to see here. I may have came for fashionably early, but oh well. We've got 7 minutes before really want to try and capitalize on some of this volume here. Would love to try and capitalize on some volume. I know Kashi's wild over here. All-nighter. Bender. He's been on that barley mushroom drinks. Wait, Kashi, don't you have work in the morning? The dedication. Just to take a loss as well, probably. You know what I mean? This is the type of shit you need, though. You need these type of soldiers on the front line. Eyes about to fall off. Nice. This is Sparta. Oh, jokers. Even Static's awake. Oh. Okay, sick. So you get to freaking sleep in a bit. Dub. Yeah, a stream like today would have been a good one to get a few of you guys onto the stream with me. That would have been a way better idea. Big cow. Kashi actually stole his own tools. There's no sell opportunity just set for NQ. Really would like to see if gold can pop above this range here at the open. Try to say my name and I'll subscribe right now. Wow, look at his volume. Just let gold do whatever, chill. There's nothing we can do until it closes. Yeah, you guys on TikTok, on YouTube, I mean, there's a link to the free Discord community pinned in the chat there if you want to join the community. Join the community. If NQ could push up and close stronger green, I might be interested in a buy at this high volume time. Yeah, I'd be interested in a buy, I think. Would like to see it, push up a bit more here. The issue is I would need a decent retest back down and then I'd be very interested in buying back up. for sure. Gold's a tricky one. Gold most likely going to need to wait for that first 15 to close, unfortunately. Lock in chat. Don't buy in Q. What do you mean? Oh, let it settle? Nah, that's pussy shit. Orion phase 2 will be good. Please guide me. Never. Yes, that's right. You won't see the wick? Oh, really? Yeah, I guess if it does what I said, I might as well just have a little rat, but if it wants to just cruise, then it can just cruise. Am I late or have you moved to Dubai? You're 2 months late. 2 months. 4 plus 4 equals 8 weeks. That's how late you are. Would hate to be texting each other because then we would not be texting in tune. You'd be leaving me on red very much. Cool. Yeah, NQ's the hope here right now. Gold's going to need to wait for that 15 closure. Not this one, the next one. This is a green screen bridge, bro. I mean, for me, it was in a claustrophobic room, but yeah, visually, I feel you, bro. Stay. Bro, Static, you're making it seem like fucking NFP's about to hit. Nice, John. It's 15, but it's not about the discount. It's about the benefits that come with it, bro. It's insane. Insanity.
Back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry or regret. Only smile on my own and just know I overcame the hardest thing in my life that I've ever known.
Yeah, 15 is still good for sure. All right, what do we got? A minute here, you guys. NFP's about to hit. It is? Oh, fuck. If you guys haven't seen my latest thirst trap, go to my Instagram. If you're a really, really attractive chick, go to my Instagram. If you're a dude, yeah, go there as well. Oh, Seth, what up, my brother? Seth Dog 3000. Nah, I need a red on gold for sure, yeah. But I'm interested in NQ, but apparently it's gonna fucking explode. I'm a dude, but I'll still hype you. Okay, there's a closure. Fuck, that looks nice. All good. All good. I guess NFP just dropped. I guess NFP did just drop. All right. Yeah, I didn't listen. NFP to the die. So gold is looking pretty nice. Bro. Oh, look, there's the retest. Bro, this is wild. So this is the kind of shit that you guys watch every freaking day. This is unbelievable. I mean, it's untradeable unless you want to gamble. Thank you, Carolina. No, I ordered blue light glasses and then these came, and these are really weird and not cool, but I'm going to wear them just to make use of them for this one day. This is how Cody survives. Yeah, this is Cody strat. Yeah, you did tell me. That's true. So I'm really looking to get aggressive here with gold if I can get something happening here. And yeah, maybe I did come on the stream too early. No risk, no camel. Yeah, that's true. Such fucking crazy volume, man. That's wild. Ali G vibes, yeah, that's what we figured out before. It's literally basically the exact same. Yeah, wow, see, this is the kind of shit that you guys fuck around with. This is wild. I remember the first time I ever seen NQ move at this time, I was just like, I had never seen anything like it. Like, it felt alive. It's almost like you could see the orders coming into the market. CW, what's CWD? I mean, in terms of volume on NQ right now, you just look at it. I guess you have to let it settle for a bit. Would really want to be a part of gold. Really want to be a part of gold. Nah, it's too overextended for me, Stat. I mean, history has shown that it's just pushed and pushed, but I just can't do it. Oh, NQ. Retest. Miss you, Dan. Miss you too. Hi, Daniel. Homeless. Great to see you, buddy. Great to see you too. I guess we'll let this first candle settle down here and see what happens. Nah, I never streamed New York. Just did it because I haven't jumped on the charts all day. Look at this buyers and sellers just trying to figure this shit out. Sleep in Asia. No, it's actually good to get up early. That's the thing. Because at some point I'm going to have a life, and I'd probably want to have the afternoon ready for that life. Yeah, gold, you're a loser. Just smashing through all-time highs, man. Just smashing through all-time highs. This is just unbelievable. Unbelievable, man. Look at this shit. I mean, we consolidated for months and then just see ya. Yeah, it's really frustrating, actually. Well, we'll see. We'll see if he wants to pull back, what he wants to do. See if we can get a buy opportunity on gold, on NQ. Yeah, I know, man. There's no news. Not red folder at least. I mean, if gold fucking does retrace, doesn't look like that's even a part of gold's vocabulary at the moment. Yeah, I came on to New York a bit early. NFP in 20 minutes? Bro, what the hell are you on? You're living in the past, my G. I'll let this candle close if it wants to present anything. But if not, GG's. GG's, everybody. When you trade in Australia, do you pay much tax? Yeah, the same amount that you'd pay. The highest tax bracket in Australia is 45%. Imagine half of your money just going away to like pay for junkies and shit. It's like insane, bro. The sellers with stops here are still like, oh, God, thank you. Saved again. I mean, not a bad level to sell below as well here, to be honest. Not going to get a clean breakout opportunity, most likely. We'll see. Israel attack Qatar? Really? That's scarily close to Dubai. Is that cap, Jack? I mean, yeah, if we get something like this and then buy it back up. I don't know if I can be fucked waiting around for that though on stream. Jubes, I trade Asia Open and London Open on YouTube. I trade London Open on YouTube. This is a one-off. Yeah, random New York banger. Next time I'll know New York to start the stream later though. Got that buy, nice. Yeah man, this week I've been, is it Tuesday today or Wednesday? Okay, it's only the second day, but today and yesterday has been tough, man. It's actually legit? Wow. Wild. Wow. It's kind of freaky. Stream always New York, bro. Fun, lots of volume. Yeah. Good stuff, Matt. All right, you guys. I tried. My legs have fallen off. Love you guys. I'm going to watch a little bit off stream if I get a sort of breakout maybe. Gold, I'd love to see a pullback and the continuation up. Too much green right now, like usual. Like this week on gold, it's been a lot of green. Need red. So I want to trade, but yeah, going to need to wait for an opportunity. And right now it's going to be another 30 minutes at least. 15 to 30 minutes. So love you too, Seth. Appreciate you, gang. I'll catch up with you guys on the London stream tomorrow, and you guys in the mentorship. I'll see you in Asia. And have a good day, night. Love yous. Peace out, friends and family.